In this video, I want to show you how to reset your Logitech M720. So the reset can be done for different reasons. One of the most popular one is that, let's say you have customized these mouse buttons and you want to start fresh. Well, let me show you how this is done. And for this, you will absolutely need to download the Logi Option Plus software. It's free, and honestly, it takes 2 to 3 minutes to install. So once you have installed it, it will detect automatically your mouse, okay? So once you open the software, you should see your mouse appearing over here. Simply click on it, and now to factory reset it, you need to go into the settings, go down in the menu, and one of the options should be reset to default settings. If you click over here, it will tell you all your device settings will be reset to the default. So obviously this is what you want. Simply click yes, reset, and this is about it. You'll be good to go. There is unfortunately no method to do it directly on the mouse. There is no reset button. I have made a research, and Logitech itself says that for the moment, this is the only way. So please leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below.